Today's video, I will be, okay, not I will be, but I found this code. It's like a hair, okay, it's a hairstyle. I found this code on like Facebook and decided to like try it out, and it's like has a sample and like the styles on it if you want one of them to pick. It's not a guessing game. I picked like the second and the sixth. This is the second. This is the sixth one. So I decided to, you know, mm, okay, okay. So this is gonna be my new OC. This is my old OC. This is gonna be my new OC. Yes, so let's get started here. Before we get started, I do not intend to steal anyone OCs. And it on the description of the Facebook it said it was free to use. You can always use this in any time. It's free to use. Okay, it's free. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna go first with the eye. I'm gonna go with eye. I'm gonna go with this. Nah, it doesn't suit. This one automatically has the adjustment. I don't know why, but stylish, I guess. I'm gonna go with this. Nah, it doesn't suit the character. Go with that. Nope, that. I don't want to change the hair color. It's literally nice. It's nice. Let's go with that one. I'm gonna add a little bit blush. Of course, we got an automatic way. I'm gonna go with this, of course. And then I'm gonna go to hat. No, I don't wanna go. I'm gonna go with glasses. That one, and then I'm gonna adjustment. Okay. I'm gonna bring it down and just do this. Like that. Okay. Like that. There we go. Let's go with this. Stylish. Like that. Like this. I think I should just make it a little long. There we go. And then I'm gonna go back. Very stylish. I'm gonna go with a scarf. What scarf? And then I'm gonna do the headphones, I guess. I'm just gonna go with I think this thing would just suit it, okay? This good. Here we go. I've already set this up, okay? I've already set up the clothes outfit and the accessories, so I know what to do. But sometimes I forget those, okay? But yeah, no buts. This this thing good. Like that. I'm gonna go with this one. Nah, that doesn't suit the color. Nah. what is the color of this? Okay. There we go. And then we go here. Name. Okay, let's go with this. Let's pick the color type. There we go. And I'm gonna name this me. Of course. What else would it be? Go. I'm gonna just put my character profile and my birthday and age later. Next is the sixth one. On sixth, I will do this. It's a boy, so I'm thinking of changing its name instead of Michael. I was thinking of a different name because this Michael doesn't suit the name. I was thinking just make a little bit of different this time because this is the same as always, so I decided to think of a name. What do you think a name will suit him? Okay, can you guys give me a little idea on what kind of name will he be on? Like, what kind of name is gonna suit him? Because I was thinking of a name, okay? I don't know what name it is because I haven't found any names idea. Do you guys have any idea to share? Like, some like of words, you know? Guys have any names to suit him? Any names to suit this? Names there. If you have, comment down. Just comment down. Ba 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, there's that one. I've already found some clothes and I still remember it, but the only color I don't remember. I don't know what the color is. Just gonna guess something. Oh no. Okay. Okay. No. Ba-da-ba, 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 ba-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-ba. That. Okay. Okay. So. 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 So I don't know. Oh, ow, okay, ow. Oh, I don't care anymore. I can think of I can think of a name. I mean, a color to suit this guy. Click. Yeah, not that one too. So I'm just gonna just change that and just replace it with this new pants thing. I don't want to make anyone like that because it looks like okay. Um, just comment down if you have a name for him now, because I'm still looking for his name. I haven't still think of any name. There we go. Yay! That's all. Bye.